Well, many Idaho homeowners don't realize how complex an insurance claim can actually be, or that they have help available if they need it. Public adjusters like Rhonda Sheets, Idaho's first resident public adjuster in our state, and owner Christy Bird, are licensed professionals who work for homeowners, not insurance companies. They are here today to guide us through the process and how they offer an affordable alternative to hiring an attorney. So a warm welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Yes, I have to admit, it's kind of a complex conversation, right? Something that I think goes over many people's heads when talking about insurance. So we are so grateful to have your guidance on this. First, let's talk about the difference between a public adjuster and an insurance adjuster, because they're not the same thing, right?
That's
right.
correct. Okay. So Christy could probably
I can jump in on that. So a claims adjuster is someone who works for the insurance company.
Okay.
An independent adjuster also works for an insurance company. So really, homeowners have three options. And the third option is a public adjuster. Idaho homeowners need to know that they have the option of working with a public adjuster. So many times homeowners don't know that that's an option. We have yet to see an insurance company share that with a homeowner and for them to be aware. So Idahoans need to know that this is one of their choices when dealing with a claim or loss.
Okay, and then who do you guys help?
Everyone.
We help
everyone.
We can help a business owner that's had a fire, or a homeowner that's had a fire. We pretty much stick with fires. A business interruption, a loss of use. There's just a spectrum of claims and of claims denied too. So there's a lot of different aspects to a claim, and we find that we were told that at the Department of Insurance level that we have to give that disclosure to potential clients. And so our insurance company is supposed to do it too, but we've yet to ever find one that's ever given out to a homeowner. They need to know the difference. Because they don't need to hire an attorney to have a public adjuster get them through the process. Okay, so you guys are kind of like a roadmap. You're a guide to help them, whereas somebody that's coming from an insurance company might have like an internal influence from that insurance company, right? But if they can go public and actually have somebody, then that likely plays a little bit more into their benefit of what the outcome might be. Let's talk about the general time frame when working with a homeowner.
Usually 3 to 4 months up to a year.
Okay. All right, so 3 to 4 months up to a year, basically probably depending on the claim, right?
Yes.
Whatever it is that you are working on, it determines the length of what might be needed to navigate this process. What if the homeowner or business owner's claim was denied? You'd mentioned denied claims.
Well, they would need to contact a public adjuster in order for us to look at the policy and the claim itself.
Okay.
A letter that was issued to the homeowner. There's also something called reservation of rights. I don't want to get into too much stuff because it's mind-boggling what we do. A lot of times claims are put on hold, and we have to deal with that. So sometimes we have to consult an attorney with that because we're not attorneys, but we know the law.
And we cut through the red tape, and so we guide them through the whole process, and we take over, not for them, but we guide them and work with them through the whole experience.
And because we have the authority through the Department of Insurance, we can do that. And they recognize us. They know who we are. They don't like to work with us, but they don't have a choice. So we're the ones that help. And also, remember, there's your mortgage company, if there's one, co-insurance. So there's a lot. And in our next segment, when you have us back, I know you love us, we will tell you all about it, and we will bring information about the people that we have helped locally.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, great. So a lot of benefit to having a public insurance adjuster help guide you through claims with any form of insurance. Any form of insurance. All right, and I'm looking so forward to hearing more about the incredible benefits. But for those who are interested and want to learn more about what you do and how to reach you, what do they do?
So go to our Instagram page at NWP Adjusting or call us at 208-559-3441.
Wonderful. Both, thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it.
Thank you for having us.
Great resource. All right, everyone, stick around. More to come here on Idaho Today.